Alright, so today I'm going to be going over a pretty useful video on how to make money in the poketwo economy. So we're just going to get right into it. So number one is you want to get rid of any unnecessary things or unnecessary stuff that you might have in your poketwo inventory. So if you view your Pokemon and you scroll through your pages, and let's say I don't want this Gumi. I really don't because it's decent IV, but I don't want it personally. You can list it on the market for a price that you wanted to sell at and hope it sells. This is like a slow but kind of efficient way of getting Poke coins in the Poke2 economy. And then you can start investing in other Pokemon, waiting for the value to go up. The next thing you could do is called market sniping. It's essentially where you always check the market for shinies and rares, and you scroll through the pages until you find a good Pokemon for like a low price. So, like, if you find a Pokemon that is priced below its value, you should buy it, and then you can resell for a higher price and at its actual value, and then you'd be making like 30,000 and 40,000 Pokecoin profit. Now, this one isn't really the best choice to do. Well, it's because a few days ago, Poke2 kind of allowed scamming since, here is what they said. They said if both people agree to the trade, there's nothing that the admins or the moderators can do about it since you both agreed to the trade. So now this is only if you like really, really need cash, but you lowball or it's not a good way to get money, but it's very easy and very efficient. The next thing I need to go over is join multiple servers. If you join multiple servers, more opportunities to trade and sell will appear. So you want to get in as many servers as possible. And I'm gonna go over market sniping more like right now. So when you go and search for a shiny, you usually want to go to the last page because some people, as a joke, might post it as one PC, but then you want to keep scrolling and scrolling until you find a decently priced shiny. Right now, at the moment, I see no decently priced shinies. It is a little tedious, but at the end, it can definitely pay off. And this is, like I said, a really efficient way to get money, and it really helps grow your balance. And this allows you to like learn more about the game, the prices. It's better for your overall like knowledge about the game and such. So I'm just scrolling through here seeing if I can find a good deal on anything. The market is really down right now, so all these prices are low, and it's not unusual since the economy is in a bad position right now. And yeah, that's basically what you have to do until you can find a pretty good or a decent price shiny. And the last thing I wanted to go over before I end the video is before you market snipe, is always ask other people the value of the Pokemon. So let's see if I think this Bergmite right here is the level 23 one, 62.37 IV, the one for 45,000. Um, if I think that's a good price, or if I'm like confused if it's a good price, always ask other people and ask like the usual value of a shiny Bergmite. And if they say it's like 60,000 and this one's for 45,000, buy it and resell it for 55,000. You always want to resell it like not its actual value, but at least 10 or 15,000 10 or 15,000 higher than what you got it from, as this will like it'll grow your bowel significantly and fast. And that's how you get money in poketwo. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.